In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to restore a deleted board in Monday.com quickly and easily. If you've accidentally deleted a board or someone on your team removed it and you need it back, don't worry. Monday.com keeps deleted boards in the trash for a limited time, and you can restore them in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can recover your board without any stress. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Monday.com tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. To restore a deleted board in Monday.com, the first thing you need to do is log into your Monday.com account. Once you're inside your workspace, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and click on your profile picture. When you click your profile picture, a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll see several options related to your account settings and workspace management. What you're looking for here is the option labeled Trash. Go ahead and click on Trash. Now you'll be taken to your account's Trash section. This area is very important because it stores all deleted items across your account. That includes deleted workspaces, boards, dashboards, docs, items, and even columns. So if something was recently removed, this is the first place you should always check. Inside the trash, you'll see a list of all the items that have been deleted. You can scroll through the list to find the specific board you want to restore. If you have a lot of deleted items, take a moment to carefully review the names so you select the correct one. Once you've located the deleted board you want to recover, you should see an option to restore it. Click the Restore button next to the board. Monday.com will then automatically move that board back to its original workspace. In most cases, it will return to the exact location where it was before it was deleted. After restoring it, you can navigate back to your workspace and confirm that the board is visible again. Open it up to make sure all your items, groups, columns, and data are intact. Everything should be restored just as it was at the time of deletion. Now, there's something very important you need to know. Monday.com only keeps deleted items in the trash for 30 days from the date of deletion. After those 30 days pass, the board is permanently deleted and can no longer be recovered through the trash. So if you realize something important is missing, make sure you check the trash as soon as possible. If you don't see the board in the trash, there are two possible reasons. First, it may have been deleted more than 30 days ago and permanently removed. Or second, you may not have the correct permissions to view or restore it. In that case, you'll need to contact your account admin and ask them to check the trash from their account. As a best practice, if you're managing critical projects, consider limiting who has permission to delete boards. That can help prevent accidental deletions in the future. You can manage permissions in your workspace settings to keep your project secure. And that's it. That's exactly how to restore a deleted board in Monday.com. It only takes a few clicks. Click your profile picture, go to Trash, find the deleted board, and click Restore. Just remember the 30-day limit so you don't miss your recovery window. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tips, tricks, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.